as Mrs. Claus. Welcome to my Advents Calendar series. Today is December 16th, which is also the third Advent, which is the third of the 4th Sundays before Christmas. Hello! Today we're working with our clear Christmas globes, plus some notes from Christmas songs. I basically just went online, googled Christmas songs notes, or note sheets for Christmas songs, and this is what came up. I looked specifically for some that were not just white, because I wanted it to look like old paper. I have White Christmas, Silent Night, and Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. The plan is to cut these songs up in a way that you can see the notes and maybe some of the words, and just put the strips of papers inside here. So let's take the tops off and then I'll cut some. I'm taking off the white because I did not want white in my Christmas balls for that. Actually, it doesn't have to be super straight. I don't know why I'm so worried about having a straight line. This just goes all into the Christmas ball anyways. So, throw away the paper. Now, what I'd like to do is have the stuff that says White Christmas definitely in there first, so it's kind of on the bottom. Oh, look at that, it's a little bit too big. Let's see if I can just stick it in like that. There we go. Let me cut off this part. We don't really need that part, as long as I can kind of see the words in there. White Christmas. And now, I already learned I need to make thinner strips. I want to get actually some of the notes in there with the words, so I think I'm gonna cut like this and like that, and then like this. And now I'm cutting partially into the notes, but I'm trying to make those strips skinny enough to actually fit in there. Here, let's just keep the skinny strips right now. And let's do these two. I guess it depends on your preference, if you'd rather have the notes in there or the words, or if you just want to shove everything in there. I'm probably also going to make the strips a little bit shorter, because I already saw this is, I'm just trying to see if I curl this a little bit, if it falls nicer in there. Let's see. Let's do this. I'm just rolling it around my finger a little bit to see if it works. This happens when you just have visual inspiration online and you don't have any instructions, then you just go to trial and error. So first of all, I do need to move the White Christmas over some. Okay, good, so it doesn't interfere with my other notes that go in. Then this goes in. Oh, look at that, it's already too big again. I thought I made it skinny enough, but apparently not. Let's just stick that in there, see what happens. All right, And this. And I can already tell that I should have maybe printed that on a paper that looks a little bit antique, just so I can have both sides looking not white, because I did really not want white. Or I should have just left it all white. I wasn't thinking about that. Well, live and learn, right? I need to get somebody in this way. Oh, no, I don't want that. I want to do it this way. Maybe if I shift in this way, it'll go on both sides. Okay. Actually, you know, it's not half bad. I do like it. It says White Christmas, and if you read, you can see the notes and the words of the song. I like that, actually. I think I'm happy with that. Now that I've done the first one, I will do the others and speed those up a little bit for you. Actually, what I could have done is I could have cut not just more pieces of that and just shoved that in there to fill it up more. You know what? That's what I'm going to do. Let me do that first. Just a couple more notes, and it can be small strips now. Just random strips. Oops. Nothing too thick. I'm trying to go nice and skinny on those. Okay. And I'm actually going to just cut them in half, see what happens. Okay, let's see how they'll look if I put them in there. Just to get a little bit more volume in there, you know? That's too thick. That's definitely too thick. Sorry, I got a little bit of a cold. Okay, I like that better with a little bit more paper in. I like that better. I think this one is good. I'm happy with it now. Stick that back on. Bam, first one done. White Christmas. Now I'll do the same for Silent Night. And then, yeah, I'll probably speed up this process for you, just so you don't have to see every single step. I already know that I need to have my strips skinnier, so I will just make thinner strips right away. I should probably still cut the outside first. And this one has to go in first because that's the title of the song, and I want that visible. There we go. And then the rest can just be built up around it. Okay, let's go cut some more. I do believe that might be enough for this song. Let's get a couple of long ones in, and then I'll make a couple of shorter ones. Get them pre-curled a little bit. That was so scientific. This does not want to stay in. You know what, I'm just gonna cut it off if it doesn't. It got on my nerves. Beautiful. Ta-ta! Silent Night. Love it. White Christmas, Silent Night. And the next one, I want to do Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Okay, so that one needs to go in first. Yeah, let's get that. Whee! That went in so much easier because I didn't make the strip so long this time. Ta-ta! Get that all in. And, oops. Stick that in there. Bam. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a red and shiny nose. And this one, Stille Nacht, heilige Nacht. That's Silent Night in German. And this, we're dreaming of a white Christmas. There's so much you can do with this. I hope you get inspired. You could even get colorful ribbon and put that in there, and it would be awesome. Yay! I hope you like it.